Hi everyone, so I want to invite you to this amazing 4-part workshop that Pillai Center is hosting in May. It will give you the steps that you need, the manifestation formula, steps that you need in order to create inner and outer wealth. We'll be talking about how to diffuse your poverty mindset, techniques and power sounds to create wealth, the structure you need to maintain a regular practice, and an empowerment from Dr. Pillai, who's a living master. This workshop will be held over the course of 4 different days, and you're welcome to bring your questions and attend live to contribute to this group energy that we'll be co-creating. So I hope to see you there.